If you want to see the flight information from 2 days ago, what command do you have to give?
AC-2.
Right. If you need information about the return flight, what command would you have to give?
Return flight.
Yes.
ACR, departure date, departure time.
Right.
AC is a transaction code.
Right. If you want to see the flight information of another rate, then what command will you have to be given for that?
AC and then date, whichever date you want to see.
Right. How can the transaction code be used to view flight information?
How can the transaction code be used to view the flight information? AC, then date.
Wrong. If you want to see the flight information 4 days ahead, what command do you have to give?
Sorry, can you please repeat?
If you want to see the flight information 4 days ahead, what command do you have to give?
AC4.
Right. If you want to see the Star Alliance flight availability from Delhi to Bangkok on March 15, what command do you have to give?
AN star, matlab asterisk sign, then
Yes.
S, then after that date.
Wrong. If you want to see the flight availability of One World Airline Alliance from Delhi to Bangkok on 15th March, what command do you give?